There's an estimated 250 million residential toilets in this country, and they often fail and need replacement parts. It's difficult for companies to make unique parts for every toilet model out there, so Korky made a line of universal replacement parts that fit every toilet. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the replacement product line, and so you know what product to get to fix your broken toilet. Korky has levers, flappers, fill valves, flush valves. There's also gaskets for below the toilet, but I've already discussed this in another video, which I'll link at the end. So first I want to show you the levers that they offer. These come in chrome and brushed nickel finish. And usually if you're going to replace your lever, you need to find out the model of your toilet and then search up the specific lever you need. But these are designed to fit all mounting variation, including angled, front, side, or right-hand mounting. You can also mount it vertically on any toilet. It's very easy to format this with your toilet. You just pull out these red pins so you can change the angle of the arm for mounting it in any direction. And these are compatible with American Standard, Kohler, TOTO, Mansfield, and all other toilet brands. These are just two of the flappers that Korky offers in their line, and Korky flappers are probably the most popular in the country because they fit all toilets. And bad flappers are probably the biggest cause of toilet failure in the country. And if you consider that toilets use over 30% of the water in your home, you're actually wasting a lot more if you have a faulty flapper. This is the 2-inch universal flapper, which is the #1 selling flapper in the country. And installation with this is very straightforward. There's also this 3-inch flapper that's adjustable to match the toilet's performance. You just have to adjust this dial until you reach the desired water level in your bowl. What's important to know about these flappers is that they're made of Chlorazone rubber, so they resist chlorine, bacteria, city-treated water, well water, and hard water. Whereas other flappers from different companies may not be resistant to these things, so that they corrode over time. And if your toilet is making a constant leaking sound, it probably means that your flapper is corroded and it's just always leaking water, so you need to replace it. This is a flush valve from Korky, and it's designed to replace malfunctioning or broken flush valves. So this one has an adjustable height, but there's also some in fixed heights. And this comes with a flapper, so you don't need to buy that if you get this one. This is for a 2-inch drain valve, but there's some available for 3-inch drain valves and 4-inch drain valves. And these are compatible with most toilets. What makes these special is the ability to handle overflow capacity. Conventional flush valves handle about 7 gallons per minute, and these Korky flush valves can handle 12 gallons per minute because this tube is oversized and adjustable. This is important because in the case of a ball cock or fill valve failure, this will handle overflow better than other fill valves will. Last is the fill valve. If your toilet constantly fills slow or it just doesn't fill at all, and the problem isn't the flapper, then it's likely the fill valve. So Korky has a variety of fill valves that are compatible with all toilets. This specific model is the Universal Quiet Fill Platinum Fill Valve. It does not require tools for installation. It's actually very easy to install even for laymen, and plumbers will do it easily. It's adjustable and can fit a 5.5-inch water line up to an 11-inch water line. There's also a TOTO fill valve for G-Max and power gravity toilets. So all these products come with a 5-year warranty, and it's important to get these for your toilet if it's broken. So if your toilet just stops operating, there's no need to really just throw it out and get a new one for a couple $100 because old toilets are generally made very well and can last 50+ years. So make sure you get the right part, and I hope you know what to get after watching this video. And if you like the video, press like and subscribe to the channel.